National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York. From Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor. South shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay. Long Island Sound west of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York. Long Island Sound east of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York. Until 8:15 p.m. At 6:13 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots. Gusty winds, small hail northwest of Captain Harbor to 50 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor, moving southeast at 40 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Upper New York Harbor, Mamaroneck Harbor, Raritan Bay, Stamford Harbor around 7:25 p.m. Lower New York Harbor, the Verrazano-Narrows, Hempstead Harbor, Execution Rocks around 7:30 p.m. Huntington Bay, Cold Spring Harbor around 7:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.